Well, thank you very much. You're still there. It's time for our performance here for Wake Up Nigeria, and today we have Drik Marley here with us. He is also known as DK Chibuzo Favor, and he claims to be the ideal 21st century Afrobeat artist. He's got a series of LPs, and today he's going to be giving us one of those. So, hey, Mr. Marley, how you doing, man? How's it going?
I'm doing very fine. Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
Oh, grand. We're happy to have you here. So how did you mix all three names to get what you have currently? Why not Chibuzo? Why not Favor? Why not, where do we get Drik from?
Now, Drik is actually a name I've been using since I was in high school, way back in King's College.
Oh, so nice.
That was the name I was given back in school.
Oh,
and the Marley came from my one of my inspirations, Bob Marley.
But you do a bit of reggae, do you?
No.
How is he?
I don't have to do reggae for me to be inspired by Bob
No,
Marley.
you are correct. Music is universal, no matter how it sounds or what culture it comes from. Grant, so what are you going to be doing for us today? Which of your tracks are we going to be listening to?
I'm performing my song called Yemi My Lova. It's off. I'm performing my song called Yemi My Lova. It's off my project, my EP, Love and Afrobeats.
Okay.
It's a very special song to me, though.
All right, fantastic. Well, we can't wait to hear it. So please, Drik, let's take you away, or you take us away with your beautiful performance.
Thank you very much.
Guy say she be ride or die, but if you come my way, you no go complain. If na me be your lover, you no go suffer, you go chop like tire, and I go cover you like umbrella, my sexy Rihanna. I no go retire, but me only share me my lover. You not can wait forever, me only share me my lover. Loving you love another. Me only share me my lover. I'm not for someone better. Me only share me my lover. Me only share me my lover. No. What's me the problem? Tell me you make us solve them, make us solve them, cause I go love you, dada. Me I never tell you lamba, I think you get a designer, Gucci and Prada, Sierra, cha cha.